What if I told you the real secrets of the rich aren't about flashy cars or luxury mansions? Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in the lives of the wealthiest people, things the public doesn't see? By the end of this video, you'll uncover 10 untold lessons from the rich that you can apply to your own life starting today. We're not talking about cliches like saving money or working hard. These are deep, actionable insights that will shift the way you think about success, wealth, and personal growth. So, get ready to focus, take notes, and learn something game-changing. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's go to the billionaire habit number 1. They buy time, not things. Most people waste hours chasing discounts, standing in queues, or doing tasks that add little value to their lives. They value money over time, forgetting that time is the only resource you can't earn back. But billionaires, they don't spend hours cleaning their homes or booking flights manually. They delegate or automate. Jeff Bezos once said, "I'm not in the business of saving a penny. I'm in the business of saving a minute." They also work with Pareto principle. 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Apply this by focusing your energy on the few things that matter most. Prioritize tasks that create value and outsource the rest. When you shift from buying things to buying time, you'll find yourself more productive, less stressed, and much closer to your goals. Number 2, aggressive prioritization. Look into your daily activities. Are you also all into the trap of being busy rather than effective? Juggling endless tasks. Thinking productivity is about doing more when it's really about doing what matters most. This is where billionaires outshine the crowd. They ruthlessly prioritize. Warren Buffett's famous 5/25 rule is a prime example. Write down 25 goals, then focus only on the top 5. The rest? Eliminate them entirely because they dilute your energy. When you lack prioritization, your days become a flurry of activity without meaningful progress, and you find yourself stuck in the same place year after year. To resolve this, start with clarity. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? When you master this, you stop chasing distractions and start building the life you've always envisioned. Number 3, they believe in taking action. The perfect time doesn't exist, and inaction is the biggest wealth killer. Billionaires succeed because they take bold, decisive action, even when they don't have all the answers. The mistake most people make is letting fear of failure paralyze them. Embrace action over perfection. Start small, but start now. Success doesn't come to those who wait, it rewards those who move. Action breeds clarity. Billionaires know that every step, no matter how small, builds momentum. If you keep waiting for the stars to align, you'll watch others live the life you want while you remain in the same place. Start before you're ready and you'll thank yourself later. Number 4, they're comfortable being uncomfortable. Rich people thrive in discomfort. They know that growth only happens outside of their comfort zones. Growth lies in discomfort, and billionaires know it. They embrace challenges. In Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, he describes how enduring mental and physical discomfort transformed him from a defeated man into one of the toughest people alive. Think about it. Every major breakthrough comes from taking risks and embracing uncertainty. When was the last time you did something that scared you? Discomfort isn't a sign to stop, it's a sign you're leveling up. Number 5, power of mourning. In The Miracle Mourning by Hal Elrod, he highlights the saver's routine: silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing as a powerful way to supercharge your mornings. Most people squander their mornings, hitting snooze or scrolling through their phones, setting a tone of chaos and distraction for the rest of the day. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Billionaires, however, understand that mornings are sacred. They use this time for clarity, planning, and personal growth. The way you start your morning shapes your success. A powerful morning leads to a powerful life. Don't let your mornings control you. Control your mornings, and the rest of the day will follow. Number 6, they stay laser-focused. Endlessly scrolling social media, saying yes to every request, or chasing shiny new ideas. This lack of focus dilutes their energy, leaving them with half-finished goals and mediocre results. Billionaires master the art of staying laser-focused. They guard their time fiercely and concentrate only on tasks that align with their long-term vision. One of the mistakes most people make? Trying to do too many things at once, which leads to stress, burnout, and lack of progress. The solution is simple but profound. Eliminate distractions and prioritize your biggest goals. In Deep Work by Cal Newport, he argues that the ability to focus intensely on one task is a superpower in today's distracted world. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique or apps that limit screen time. A scattered mind produces scattered results. When you stay laser-focused, you achieve more in a month than others do in a year. Number 7. They embrace failure as feedback. Instead of avoiding challenges or taking failures personally, treat them as essential steps in your growth. Fear of failure leads you to avoid risks, play it safe, and miss out on life-changing opportunities. Look at failure through the lens of progress. Each failure brings you closer to success. Failure is not the enemy. Stagnation is. Billionaires succeed because they're willing to fail forward. If you're not failing, you're not growing. Embrace failure, learn from it, and watch how it propels you toward your goals faster than playing it safe ever could. Number 8. They invest in networking. No billionaire builds an empire alone. Oprah Winfrey says her success is rooted in the meaningful connections she's cultivated over decades. Are you surrounding yourself with people who inspire and challenge you? Reach out to someone you admire and ask for their advice. Networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving value too. Strong relationships open doors you didn't even know existed. Number 9. They continuously learn and reinvent themselves. People get comfortable with what they know, relying on outdated skills or familiar routines. Billionaires, however, understand that the key to long-term success is reinvention. Adopt a lifelong learning mentality. Set aside time each day to read, take courses, or attend workshops that push your boundaries. In today's world, your success is directly tied to how quickly you learn and adapt. Billionaires succeed because they reinvent themselves to stay ahead. Complacency is your enemy. Keep learning, keep evolving, and you'll never be left behind. Number 10. They give more than they take. Most successful billionaires understand that true wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about giving. People make the mistake of focusing solely on what's in it for me. They chase after success without thinking of the impact they can make on others. This mindset not only limits their personal growth but also isolates them. To shift this mindset, start by giving in small ways. Invest time in mentoring others, support causes that align with your values, or help someone without expecting anything in return. In The Go-Giver by Bob Burg, he emphasizes that the more you give, the more you receive. You don't get ahead by taking more, you get ahead by giving more. When you adopt this mindset, wealth and success will follow in unexpected ways. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Success isn't about luck, it's about the habits you build. Start building yours today. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.